hold the knife.
I got it. One more.
Are you the youngest?
Yeah, I'm the youngest.
This one, I think this one is all of yours. Wait a minute, Sis, let me look at it.
Yay! Look what I got! Can I go to my daddy?
Daddy's right there.
Stop. That's Tesla's for sure.
Look at my helmet.
Oh, no. It's not putting it around. Let's throw it here.
It's totally Tesla's. Tesla, there's something else. I think this is yours, too. Oh, my goodness.
You can have like a year's supply of clothes when she turns 18.
Look, Tesla.
Whoa.
Wow. Look at this one.
I got a lot of stuff.
What you got?
Oh, what is this?
Oh, Tesla, look at this one.
Oh my god.
Oh, well, this is mine. So
A
take it
fish.
under my wing.
Tesla,
Oh,
it's purple.
Oh, wow.
Yay, I got another purple dress.
Oh, man.
I got everything. Why do I have lots?
Look, it's so much stuff.
Yeah, so a lot. That was look like a baby.
Oh, look at these. These are super cute.
Look at this thing.
Yeah, it's a ball.
Yeah,
Can I
a flurry bar.